Wait, let me think.
Got it?
Hold on. You want to hold this? Because I got dirt on my hand. I hold the thing, you hold this.
Oh, okay.
Because I got dirt on my hand. Huh? What do you mean? It doesn't matter.
Okay, pull it out. Sit down. Pull it out some more. Put it down. Oh my God, is she in the dirt?
I was too.
See, look.
I'm gonna throw a handful of dirt at you, actually.
It's dirt. We used to eat it as a kid. Nobody died.
Exactly. I know Tracy ate a lot of dirt when she was a child.
That's like dirt in a straw one time.
I ate a lot of dirt. The neighbors had 5 boys. There was no one else to hang out with. Aside from the neighborhood elderly. Which I hung out with too.
Shut up, Delilah.
Her name's Delilah.
She's like, what the fuck is going on out there? I want to be a part of it. Oh!
I didn't hit it that hard, don't worry.
Sorry, bug baby. It itched.
You want to put some dirt underneath?
Put it down.
Mm-hmm. Just down.
Lift it up.
Lift it up?
Yeah.
I'm going to tape them both together when we're done.
Oops. I'm not really good with this leg.
Alright, sit it down. Slide it back, lift it up and slide it back somewhere.
Towards us?
Yeah, slide it towards you guys. Until it's in the right. That's good?
I heard you.
What? Why look worried, Delilah?
This shit's still a little bit loose. So loose, fucker.
What if we taped them together?
You're kind of a cocksucker.
There you go.
Come on, Moss. Yo, Moss. Take this.
Go ahead.
You think so?
Yeah. Because once the ground settles, they're both gonna sink a little bit.
A mosquito, baby.
They sell this rack at Lowe's. It's 30 inches high. It's like the perfect height for the.
Am I letting go?
Sure. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Well, let go.
I would have gave you the rack, but then we put it in the kitchen. So.
Oh, no, no, it's cool.
All right.
That should work.
Just gonna wash my hands.
See if you're gonna
Hello, Chunky Booty.
Where you going? Don't leave town. Hmm?
She won't go anywhere unless a dog. She ran after somebody's dog that was walking.
Mm-hmm.
Bit her. It was a husky. Lady was cursing me out.
I bet.
Fucking bitch. You fucking mongo dog, bitch.
I had some lady yelling at me the other day walking Albert because her Shih Tzu got off leash and was trying to follow me and Albert and bite him. I'm like, really? He's not doing anything. Yes, that's Albert. He slobbers all over. I can't help it.
Thanks for your help.
I held the thing. It would have fell on Stacy's head, and Casey would be
Mm-hmm.
mourning.
Your ass gonna help me duct tape this shit though. 'Cause you ain't gonna do nothing else.
Duct tape.
Yeah, I gotta seal it up. You gonna help me seal the shit up? And then,
It's dirty. It's dirty. Can't touch
do you
it.
want? I got some gloves. You want some gloves? Can't fuck with Tracy's delicate hands.